Hey guys, my name is Aman and in this video I'm going to talk about this Logitech C270 webcam. Let me tell you more about it. Inside the box, we will find the webcam with a 6 feet cable and user documentation. This Logitech C270 webcam offers widescreen video calls in HD 720 pixels at 30 fps. It is equipped with a lens that has a 60-degree wide field of view for the user's convenience. It has automatic HD light adjustment which allows you to make clear video calls even in dim environments, a noise reducing mic built inside this webcam to ensure the quality of the call, and a universal clip with which you can easily attach this webcam to the screen or a shelf. And as you can see, this clip can be mounted at different angles which allows you flexibility of movement while placing video calls. I have been using this webcam for a couple of weeks now and my video calls and conference calls have become very easy and convenient. You should definitely check this out.